Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign. This reading is last week of July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings right now. Your person current feelings. So your feelings towards them, Aquarius. Okay, energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So this is your person current feelings. This 8 of Wands, 4 of Cups, 8 of Cups, the Star, and your feelings towards them, control, change, and fighting, and adventure. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All signs here. Definitely one person, I think you person feeling sad for they walked away. For some there is separation between both of you. Definitely your person feeling very sad without you. They want to communicate you because they are still in hope in this connection. Still they are gone, still they are walked away, but they are still hoping for this connection. They want to communicate their feelings with you. And your feelings towards them, there are some issues definitely because the fighting card is here, but things are turning in your favor. Aquarius, the change, wheel of fortune is here, but some controlling issues are here. King of Swords, control means, and adventure, 8 of Pentacles. You are ready for, sorry, adventure means Page of Pentacles. So you are ready to work on this relationship. Definitely you want this relationship, but there are some issues, some communication issues I am getting because control issues. I think your person may be controlling you because you are very emotional. Your person is not. When you want to express your feelings, but your person is not available emotionally to you. That's the issue. I'm getting some fighting, whatever may be the issues, but things are turning in your favor finally. Definitely because your person want to communicate you. 8 of Wands. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Wow, the Judgment and 3 of Cups, reconciliation. Yes, your person want reconciliation with you. You both want reconciliation because Judgment is also reconciliation and 3 of Cups is also reconciliation. I am not getting any third party here. So let's see some more information about you from the universe. Okay. Postponement, 4 of Swords. From their side, participation, wow. And the card, the Miser, and awareness. Hangman. Yes, I think you are thinking about them a lot. Postponement is 4 of Swords, but not taking action because you are waiting for they take action. Definitely they will take action because they want 4 of Wands with you. And awareness, they will get spiritually awakening about this connection because they are not expressing their feelings, but in near future they will be. So definitely when you are not taking action, you are waiting for your person to take action towards you. Definitely your person is taking action towards you. They will communicate their feelings because they want this happiness with you. Definitely communication is the key here. Definitely your person is still hoping for this connection. They want reconciliation with you. You also want reconciliation with you, but things are in your favor right now. So definitely communication is the key in this connection. So reconciliation. So most of you there is a chance for reconciliation. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.